So picture this, you hop onto a client call and then the client tells you, unfortunately, we have to cut your cost or we're reducing your rate. What do you do? What do you say without worrying that you might even lose your job? So what if there's a way to keep your value intact and maybe even keep the same rate? So keep watching because in today's video, I'm going to share with you what to say in case a client wants to cut costs while also keeping the project and your dignity intact. So if you're ready, grab your pen and paper and let's get started. So here's the truth. Most freelancers, they get caught off guard. Clients come to them cutting costs, looking to reduce the budget, leading to financial strain and them feeling undervalued. It happens to most, if not all of us, right? During a client scenario, this may happen. It happened to me in the past, and it may also happen to you. And this is normally caused because of a few factors. The first one is that there's lack of confidence in articulating your worth. So clients overlook the payment that they make to you because they don't see you as a valuable part of their team, not contributing enough, not delivering results. Number two is there's a fear of losing the client if you stand firm on your beliefs, on your value of the results you deliver. And then the third one is that there's no clear strategy on how to prepare, even prepare for negotiations or negotiating with the client when this scenario occurs. But with the right mindset, you can navigate these discussions and maintain your professional integrity in the process. Let's break down how. So here's the approach I'd like you to take. Affirm value, explore options, and reinforce beliefs. Let's unpack it. First one is affirming value. What you'd like to do here is reaffirm the client of the value that you deliver and also the results that you bring. By doing this, you make it clear to the client what exactly your value proposition is and the results that you're currently generating for the project. Second one is you want to explore options. This is when you want to offer alternatives such as an adjusted project scope, maybe, or a phased out delivery. So you're not really changing the rate, but maybe you're changing how long the project would continue and also the deliverables that need to be submitted for the project. This might mean either extending the time frame or shortening the time frame, or also increasing the workload or decreasing the workload. Again, the goal here is to give the client options in order for them to continue working with you or at least not cut the rate. Third is reinforce benefits. This is when you want to remind them of the benefits of maintaining your current services and also your current rates. This is where you justify the price, essentially. So the reason why this approach works is, number one, it shows your confidence and commitment in delivering quality results. Because by doing it this way, you're still committing on achieving the long-term result of the project and being flexible with how to achieve it. The second one is it offers the flexibility without compromising growth. And then finally, it reinforces your position as a valuable team player and a partner for their success. So by applying this approach, you are able to navigate these cost-cutting requests and questions effectively and smoothly to protect your hard-earned work and your hard-earned rates. So let's take this to the real world. Let's say you hop onto a call with a client and then they ask you, can we cut the rates? So a bad freelancer might respond and say something like, I'm not sure, I don't know, let me think about it, right? So no, don't do that. Stop doing that. Instead, what you can do is, if the client asks you, can we cut the cost? Can we cut the rates? You can respond and say something like, Mr. Client, I definitely understand that we need to manage budgets. However, I'd like to also review the value delivered and explore how we can adjust the scope of work to fit your goals without compromising the quality of the output. And then by saying that, you get the client to think and maybe say, I appreciate that perspective, right? And they'd be open to discussing more instead of just giving you a flat rate cut. Now, in this case, the freelancer was able to turn a potential setback into an opportunity for further collaboration that might not only save them from the rate cut or the job cut, but also now gives them an opportunity to maybe even explore more options to work together or at least keep their current position. All done by effective and confident collaborative communication. Okay, so here's my challenge to you. Try to prepare and practice for these cost-cutting conversations. It might not be happening to you right now, but down the road, one day it might and it will. So before it happens, be prepared for them and try rehearsing, write down some lines, and try to understand the value that you provide and communicate to clients, and find a way to extend the project or decrease the scope of work, and at least save yourself from your rate cuts. And again, of course, let us know in the comments below. Try them out and let us know if it helped you out. Did it give you a chance to get a longer term engagement? Did it save you from the job? Or did it totally blow up in your face? Let us know in the comments below and we'll read them, we'll react to them. All right, but before that, before you hop off and start rehearsing your lines, do you sometimes worry that clients are thinking about other freelancers when thinking of projects? Or do you want to be the freelancer that the clients think about when they're looking for solutions to problems? Then you might want to, if not already, subscribe to the channel and also click the notification bell, because in the next video, I'm going to reveal to you the art of staying top of mind with the client, where you will discover the keys to unlocking ongoing client relationships that will serve you for years to come. So thanks again for hanging out. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.